Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mac Tactics.
Okay, today I will show you how to remove a stuck CV axle from a wheel set. First you need a 30 number 12 point socket. So watch it how I doing it. You have to rotate in anti-clockwise. I am using here pipe to extend the length so we will get a good torque. After loosening it, take it take out this nut and apply some WD-40 rust cleaner. I am using here WD-40. Okay, can kept it for half an hour. Before jacking up, please loosen all 5 nuts from the tire. Only loose, don't take it full out. Then you can jack it up. I am using here one vehicle jack and one extra hydraulic jack for the safety. After that we can remove all the nuts and take the tail. Now we can see the axle is stuck here. Don't try it for long time because your CV axle bolt may be damaged. Now we can see what the trick I am using here. I just simply weld a nut with a 5 plates that is aligned with our wheel nuts. So we can see how I am using here and simply welded it. You can see 5 plates I welded here that is aligned with the wheel nuts, and the axle CV axle is aligned with that main nut. You can use this type of tool also, but I just made this tool from a local lathe. I am using here a 32 mm nut with 5 plates. After tightening all the wheel nuts, we can use our bolt to remove our CV axle from the wheel side. Before tightening, ensure that your wheel hub in the 45 degree. You have to turn your steering into 45 degree. So it is to, I am not showing here, but I turn after that sometime. If you turn it in 45 degree, it will be easy to remove from the wheel hub. After some time I will definitely turn to 45 degree. Okay, now I am tightening the bolts. You can see it's get loosening. If you use a pipe in the extension, you will get more torque in the bolt. It is greater than 5 ton of hydraulic press. In this method you can easily remove it without removing the whole CV axle from the gear side. That's why you have to remove that CV axle from the gear side, and you have to take it to the hydraulic press. Okay, last our CV axle came out from the wheel hub. Now we have to remove this tie rod and the steering rod from the wheel hub and ball joint from the wheel hub. Actually my CV boot is already damaged and cut in pieces. If you have your own CV boot in this CV axle, you have to cut it and take it out. Now you can simply hammer it in this both side of this part. After that it will come. You have to keep it in straight and hammer it. It will come out. If it's not coming, you can use this tool also to pull that part. It is very costly. Okay, after removing that part, you have to remove all these bolts. We hammer it, it will come out. Sometimes it will not come out. This is used one, that's why it came easily. And then you have to tap it hardly with the hammer, then only it will come out. First of all, you have to look the wheel side parts properly before removing it, because you can't fit after that. So before removing it, you have to point how it fitted there, so you can easily refit after that. You have to clean this all grease with a cotton. I clean this all things. You can see this plain area. This is for Octavia, Skoda Octavia. This plain area, it should be in back side. This plain area also in this part, it should also in the back side. You have to look all the video properly and only fit that things, otherwise your CV axle will be stuck. You have to look properly my video and only fit after that. Okay, I will show very clearly here. Look at how I putting all the things. First I am putting this thing in this part. You have to look how I am putting here. Simply rotating the parts. The groove parts must be front of the front side. After that you have to put all the bolts. You have to put bolts like this. After putting it, simply take out other sides and keep all the bolts in the proper place. I'm putting the last bolt. You can see how I keep it inside. So first we have to put our CV axle boot, then you have to put this washer. You have to look how I putting here. Second washer, the flat one should be in the inside, the groove part in outside. Okay, we have to apply grease in this CV boot, sorry, CV axle. I am applied here the grease very properly. You can see it. After that you have to put this part to that side and simply hammer it. After, you have to look the washer and all the parts become jointed. After that you have to put this CV boot and use with a this type of strip. You have to belt it tightly. Okay, if you like my video you can subscribe my channel also. Okay, that will be a great support for me. Okay, you can see how I'm doing here all the things. After that I cutting the extra parts from the belt. Actually I am using the camera also, so that it's difficult to make this type of video. So after that you have to put this CV axle in this hub. First you have to put this CV axle in the hub, and after you have to put that ball joint, then our steering rod, then that tie rod. I'm not showing here that video, I'm only showing this axle, CV axle, putting in this will help. After that you can do all that things. Okay friends, if you like my video please subscribe my channel and like my video, and please comment any other things you need to know. I will show in my video. Okay, and we will see next time. Okay, bye.